I forgot what I had to tell in front of the audience, and I shouted out, "Mummy!" That was the most embarrassing situation.
Okay.
I had a stage fear then.
That's good.
Yeah.
I can understand.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay, guys, one round of applause. Focus. Change.
I'm Brinda. I'm a housewife. The most happiest moment, I have a lot of happiest moments in my life. First, the most important one I can say is I was the first one to see my baby brother. My mom, she was in the hospital. She had delivered. She was still unconscious. My father, he took me, and he was parking the scooter. I just ran into the hall. I asked the receptionist, "Where is my mom?" I gave her my mother's name. She said, "This room." I just ran inside there. My brother, he was in the cradle. I was the first one. Even my mom wasn't. She hadn't seen my brother, nor my father. I was the first one to see.
So how old were you when you saw him?
I was coming to that. I was 7 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. And on the same level, I have another moment, happiest moment. That is when I got married to Kiran. He's almost everything what I asked for, what I wanted. Yeah, that's the one.
Complete package. with bonus features.
Yeah, these are the two most happiest moments in my life. And,
Oh, round of applause, please. She's given two happiest moments. Very good.
And embarrassing. Again, I have quite a lot of embarrassing moments as well. The first one, which still I remember, it was in 8th standard, I believe. I had a lot of stage fear. I couldn't come in front of, not even in the classroom. If my teacher asked any question, I couldn't stand up and give the answer. Just to overcome that problem, what I thought was, let me enroll into some competition. So some competitions were going on. I just gave my name, and they called me out. I stood. I went on the dais. I just looked at the audience. Almost 600 students were there. Nothing could come out of my mouth. I was just staring. My seniors started to booing me, and I couldn't say anything. My teacher was there. She just said, "Brinda, if you don't know anything, just say hello and come down if you don't want to say anything." Even that also, it wasn't coming out of my mouth. So I stood there for 5 minutes, complete 5 minutes.
Silence.
And at last I said that, "I'm sorry, I couldn't speak anything, I just came down." That's the most embarrassing moment in my life.
You didn't tell me that, man.
Embarrassing moments can't be revealed. I mean, we never tell.
After all the
Yeah.
benefits of the package is used, they will tell. Okay. Round of applause. Very well narrated.
And just to add on it, now she's a lecturer.
Yeah. I
She's
worked
a lecturer in
Yeah,
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah. Back in Bangalore, I was
Now who
working
was
as
so
a
scared
lecturer.
back in so many
English
years back,
lecturer.
and now
She's
she's
a
a lecturer.
lecturer. So you still working there?
No.
Or you left and you came
Yeah,
back
I
here?
left my job and came over here. Now I'm completely a housewife.
Okay. That's a
Where
tough
does
job.
she wanna live?
No. Favorite actor. Favorite actor.
Deepak and my favorite actor is Kiran hates him. He hates because I like him. Is Anil Kapoor. I like him because of his acting. I mean, I can't say that he hates. Just to annoy me, he sometimes tells that no, he's not at all an actor. He's not at all a human being. He says. But my all-time favorite actor is Anil Kapoor because of his acting, his hard working, the way he has come up in his life. Yeah, I like him.
I love
Sridevi.
Yeah. No, my favorite actress is as well Sridevi. I too love her. She's the best one. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So I think we have missed a couple here.
Hi, my name is Deepak. I work for Stellar Trading Systems. I've been here for 7 years, and happiest moment is when we got married. My first son, daughter, and no embarrassing moments because I don't get embarrassed.
No, Deepak, you will be having. I think you have something. I can't remember yours. There should be something.
I will come back to that.
You need more time. You need more time after what Bindya said.
Yeah, I have to listen more. First.
Okay, your favorite actress?
Actress is Manisha Koirala,
Wow, Nepali.
Sandra Bullock.
2.
Bollywood one.
Bollywood one, Hollywood. Any reasons why? Specific reasons why you like either of them?
Good expressions.
Who?
Manisha Koirala.
Manisha Koirala.
Sandra Bullock.
Both of them. Only you like because only of expressions. Okay, let's not question it too much. Round of applause, please. Bindya.
Hi, I'm Bindya.
I'm a homemaker, and happiest moment is when I got married to Deepak, and when I had the 2 children. And then embarrassing moment was when I had my first accident with my 2-wheeler when I was taking 3 of my friends. Yeah. So
Proud moment, I guess. Not embarrassing moment.
Yeah. And then my favorite actor is Bollywood is Shah Rukh Khan, and Hollywood is Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise.
Because of their looks and acting.
Very good. Expression, looks and acting, ties well.
Deepak once more.
Once
Very
more.
so much.
For embarrassing moment. So Deepak was not there in one of your passengers. Okay, where is the host? Not host. The real host of the party. Not host. Shivanand. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Okay.
ಒಂದು
My name
ನಿಮಿಷ.
is Sivanand and my wife Shweta. I work for some company somewhere.
But you earn some good decent salary, you know that.
Okay. Happiest moment of my life was when Anish was born, and for embarrassing moment, I think I need to tell a story actually.
Please don't make it too long. I don't have memory in my phone.
Yeah.
No, go on.
Okay. The way it goes is, I saw